In this video, we will learn the use of trial balance. A trial balance is a summary of all the ledger balances and helping checking whether the transactions are correct and balanced. So far, we have learned how to see the group summary. In group summary, we can view summary of only one group and its closing balance. But if we want to view the summary and closing balance of all the groups like sundry creditor, debtors, fixed assets, etc., we go for trial balance. So, how trial balance works in Tally? First, go to Gateway of Tally, then select Display option, press D, then select Trial Balance, press T. Here, we have so many groups like capital account, loans, liabilities, fixed assets, current assets, sales accounts, purchase accounts, direct expenses, indirect incomes, and indirect expenses. And in the right side, we can see the closing balance of all the groups together. If you want to see the details of any group, press Alt F1 key to go to the detailed option. So, here we can see all the groups with its detailed value. In capital account, the capital is rupees 2 lakhs and drawn is 500 rupees. Here, the sundry creditor is in current liabilities. If you want to see who is the person to whom we need to pay money, go to sundry creditor and press enter. See, two are there, Manoj Traders and Ram Traders. We have to give rupees 4,000 to Manoj Traders and 7,500 rupees to Ram Traders. Press escape key. Similarly, in fixed assets, 1,55,000 fixed asset is there. Building is of 1 lakh, furniture worth rupees 5,000 and motorcycle of rupees 50,000. This way, we will get the details of all the groups present here. Again, if we press Alt F1, it will get condensed and return back to the previous step. So far, we have gone through the details of various groups. Now, if we want to see the detail ledger-wise, press F5 key. Now, you can see all the detail ledger-wise. Here, I would like to say one thing, that if any account or groups have zero balance, you will not be able to see it in trial balance. If you want to see the detail of any ledger, click on that ledger and press enter. So again press F5 to come back to the groups. Now, if you want to change the period, press F2 key. The change period window appears. Here you put your desired date in to and from. Press enter. So you can see the closing balance in between 1st April to 30th June. Now, if you want to change the configuration of trial balance, press F12 key. Configuration window appears. In this, whatever options you want to keep, make it yes. First is show opening balance. Opening balance is the amount of cash at the beginning of the month. That is, first day of month. Make it yes and press enter. Next is show transactions. Make it also yes. Here, when you have made show transaction as yes, you can see both the debit and credit transactions. If you choose net transactions only and put yes, then the separate transactions of debit and credit will not be visible. You will get to see the net balance, which is obtained by subtracting a company's total liabilities from its total cash. Next is show closing balance. Here we are getting the closing balance of all groups credit and debit separately if we set yes. Next option is show percentages. The total amount is seen at the bottom. Now whatever is the amount of debit and credit and it is how much percentage of the total amount can be seen here if we set this option to yes. Apart from this, there are some special options present. So we will press enter and exit from the configuration window. Now we can see that the configuration of trial balance has changed. Here in all the groups, the transaction is visible. We can also see the debit and credit. Percentage as well as closing balance is also visible. Now if we want to remove any option out of this, say we want to remove percentage, we need to press configure, that is F12 key again. We will set opening balance as 0 because we just started our work in the tally. So no opening balance. Percentage as no. Then press enter and accept. Now check that both the opening balance and percentage got removed.